Alright, so this is my KTM 300XC. That's my YZ250, which I'm waiting on parts for. Anyways, doing a Rekluse Radius-X, and I noticed that none of the videos that I've looked for in YouTube have the Rekluse Radius-X installation. Anyways, unfortunately, went ahead and did the job, and it didn't work out so well. When it came down to the break-in procedure, the bike would not it would not take off. All right, recheck the installation of this bad boy. By the way, this year model came with the Rekluse cover. It didn't come with the Radius-X. Go ahead and take it apart just to make sure everything's good. So I found out what the problem was. I should have paid more attention to detail, and I installed the EXP wrong, the EXP plate. So man, with the rush of things, man, I don't know how the hell I ended up putting this joker right there, man. It makes no sense, dude. Anyways, yeah, it was like this, man. I had it inside the forks, inside the V's, when this should be lined up with this. I don't know why I did that, man. Oh yeah, so went ahead and put it, the EXP plate lining up with the clutch plates, not in the V, pressure plate, ring, the ring, pressure ring. So it's tightening it down now. Alright, so finally got everything set up the way it should be. Got it broke in. Yeah, I took the number plates off while I was messing with it, but I'll show you what it should look like. neutral. And right now, alright, that's in neutral. Gear. You can operate it normally like a regular clutch, or you can just let it go, and then it should just try to move by itself. There you go. So I like it that you can still use the clutch normally. And one thing you do have to yeah, that rattling sound is my exhaust O-rings. I gotta change them. But one thing that you do gotta make sure is that after you do the break-in and you set your sag and everything, your slack, that you're gonna have to turn up your RPMs. Some, not too high, and that's in the manual too. I got it to the point where I'm ready to test ride it.